Hi friends, today I will show you some 5 different techniques on ombre. All 5 techniques I will create with gels. And first one we will use BB cream, it's rubber base for a base, and on top we will use gel paint white color. If you're gonna use gel paint, for example, it have to be very nice bright white. If you're gonna use gel polish, normally you have to put at least 5-6 layers. With gel paint it's make much easier, and as well more higher pigment gel, more easier for you to create. I will use sponge, my paint gel, and with sponge I will use few layers. You can do 3 or 4 layers, sometimes even 2, it's enough if it's short nails. First layer have to be very thin, almost see-through. Between each layer you have to cure it for a few seconds, and when you added pigment you have to just put on the end, so less and less. Next design we will use 2 colors of rubber base. You can use as well gel polish in the same way. First layer I will apply milky white and I blend it in with nice clean brush. After when I cure it, I'm apply on top pink or nude color and as well blend it. Remember we are curing between. So I'm apply first layer, blend it nicely with nice dry clean brush, and after I'm apply second coat and as well blend it down, cure it, and to finish my design I'm apply top coat. For neck design, I will use Polygel milky color, what it's between milky white and white color. You can as well use just white color. And I am apply to the tip. Blend it nicely with glaze liquid, and if I have a lot of gel, I am remove it, what I don't need it. You as well can do the same way like extension, but now I show you the technique and you can try different way on your own. So I'm apply, cure it for 1 minute, because remember it's already nice gel pigment and it's hard gel, so it have to be cured nicely. And after when it's curing, I will apply on top pink color or nude color of polygel. After my white is dry, I'm apply pink color and I am make blending to the white. So it have to be on top, cover it where it's a lot of white and blend it slowly to the end. It have to be as well not a lot of product for you not file it a lot after when you finish. And remember, after when we done, we seal that with clear gel. It can be builder gel, fiber gel or any see-through gel, because when we file it, for we not damage our blending with ombre. Remember, next to the cuticles we are use very little. After when we cover white, it have to be nice coverage, it have to be not see-through, so you cannot see white color. And after blending to the knees as well, remember apex, so all this in once. Yes, it's very complicated if you're beginner, but when you're professional, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. After when it's dry, I use fiber gel and I seal my design with fiber gel. Why? Because when I file it, I don't want this nice blending damage, and like that basically I seal my blending, and you can see how nice and clean ombre it's come. Next design, it's quite simple. We use rubber base, pink with shimmer, and on the point of our nail we will use pigment. You can use white pigment or any nice glittery pigment or even glitter, but it's one of the technique what you can use just with white pigment as well. I will use more like white with shimmer to give this nice attachment. On the video you can't actually see when I'm apply a big difference, but on the real life it's show much more. So you can see I start from the point of my nail and I go a little bit up. I use sponge, make sure sponge is dry and clean, it don't have any hair there or any dust, and like this is effect so nice. I can use as well any color of the pigment for this design, and if it's pigment like very bright pigment like neon pigment, I recommend as well first seal with the base coat and after you apply top coat. Next design I will use polygel, so this is a tip, and on the tip I use moon gel, polygel, it's moon color, it's like more, I don't know even what color is it, it's more like milky color, but it's, I don't know what color it is, I just love it, it's one of our favorite one, like moon color. I don't know what moon color is it. So first I am apply on my tip, after I will use builder gel to apply on my nail, and before I'm apply I use rubber base. I'm put on natural nail, cure it, and apply my tip. If you want this design, if you want and love it, this technique, I have a course what I can teach you how to use polygels and gels with reverse tips without any mistakes, because remember when we are apply polygel and after when we remove tip we have a lot of product next to the cuticles, under the cuticles. You can see my application, it's perfect, you just shape it on the sides and that's it. So for this you can contact me for a course or I leave link here.